Is it possible to change my PayPal ID and account name?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a very common question that many PayPal users have. Is it possible to change my PayPal ID and account name? Stick with us to learn all about this process.
Can you change your PayPal ID?
Let's start with the first part of our main question. Can you change your PayPal ID? The answer is, unfortunately, no. Your PayPal ID is essentially your email address that you use to sign up for your PayPal account. If you need to change this ID, you'll have to add a new email address to your PayPal account. However, be aware that you can't change the email address to one that's already linked to an existing PayPal account.
How can you add a new email to your PayPal account?
Let's break down the steps on how you can add a new email to your PayPal account. 1. Log into your PayPal account. 2. Click the gear icon at the top right of the page. 3. Click Add beside the Email section. 4. Enter your new email address. 5. Click Add Email. After you've added your new email, you'll need to confirm it. PayPal will send an email to the new address with a link you'll need to click to confirm you own the email address. After confirming the new email address, you can make it your primary email.
Can you change your PayPal account name?
Now, on to the second part of our question. Can you change your PayPal account name? The answer is yes. You can change the name on your PayPal account if it's misspelled, or if you've legally changed your name. Here's how. 1. Log into your PayPal account. 2. Click the gear icon at the top right of the page. 3. Click Update beside Name. 4. Choose the appropriate name change option. 5. Follow the instructions on the page. Please note, if you're changing your name for any reason other than the ones mentioned, you might be required to close your existing account and create a new one. And there you have it. Even though you can't directly change your PayPal ID, you can add a new email address to act as your new ID. Changing your PayPal account name is also possible, but only under certain circumstances. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. As always, don't hesitate to reach out with any further questions.